When your Subaru displays an access key disabled warning, it means there's a communication problem between your key fob and the vehicle's keyless entry system. The access key disabled warning has several potential causes. Understanding these helps you identify the most likely solution for your specific situation. By far, the most common cause is a dead or low battery in your key fob, accounting for 60 to 70% of all cases. This is usually the first thing to check when you see this warning. Electronic signal interference from other devices can also disrupt communication between your key fob and vehicle. This includes cell phones, garage door openers, or other wireless devices. Sometimes, the vehicle's proximity sensors malfunction, preventing proper detection of your key fob even when it's working correctly. Finally, the key fob can lose its programming or synchronization with your vehicle, requiring reprogramming to restore functionality. Your key fob contains three essential components that work together to communicate with your vehicle. The CR2032 battery powers the entire system. When this battery weakens, it's the primary cause of access key disabled warnings. The circuit board processes your button presses and generates the encrypted signals sent to your vehicle. The internal antenna transmits these signals to your Subaru's receiver system. Your Subaru's keyless entry system consists of multiple components working together to authenticate your key fob and grant access to the vehicle. The body control module, or BCM, is the brain of the system. It processes all incoming signals from your key fob and decides whether to unlock the doors or allow engine starting. Multiple antennas are strategically placed throughout your vehicle to ensure reliable signal reception from any angle or position around the car. The immobilizer system provides security by validating that your key fob contains the correct encrypted code before allowing vehicle operation. Newer Subaru models from 2024 and 2025 feature enhanced diagnostic systems that provide much clearer error codes and specific guidance for resolving access key issues. The keyless entry system works through encrypted radio communication. Your key fob transmits a unique signal that the vehicle's body control module validates before granting access. When any of these components fail to communicate properly, your Subaru displays the access key disabled warning to alert you that the keyless entry system is not functioning correctly. Understanding these system components and common failure points is the first step toward diagnosing and resolving your access key issues effectively. The most common cause of access key disabled warnings is a dead or weak key fob battery. This accounts for 60 to 70% of all cases and is usually the easiest fix. When replacing the battery, ensure proper orientation with the positive side facing up, and clean the battery contacts to ensure good connection. This simple fix resolves most access key problems immediately. If battery replacement doesn't work, try the manual key override. Every Subaru key fob contains a hidden physical key that can unlock your vehicle and start the engine even when the electronic system fails. The third troubleshooting step is performing a signal reset. This clears any communication errors between your key fob and the vehicle's computer system. When basic troubleshooting fails, professional reprogramming may be necessary. This requires dealer-level diagnostic equipment to resync your key fob with the vehicle's security system. In rare cases where reprogramming fails, component replacement may be necessary. Here are the typical costs for different components that might need replacement. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance of your key fob system can prevent most access key issues from occurring in the first place. Here's a quick summary of the troubleshooting process. Start with the battery replacement, then try manual override, followed by signal reset, and finally seek professional help if needed. Most access key disabled warnings can be resolved quickly and affordably. Start with the simple battery replacement, which fixes the majority of issues. If problems persist, follow the troubleshooting steps in order, and remember that regular maintenance prevents most problems from occurring.